but the fruit is sweet. These words remind us that the journey of learning is not always easy, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Over the past 20 years, our institution has evolved into a vibrant community of learners, thinkers, and leaders. We have fostered a culture of innovation, creativity, and collaboration, empowering our students to become active participants in their own learning journey. As we embark on this new chapter, we reaffirm our commitment to providing a holistic education that prepares our students for an ever-changing world. We will continue to innovate, adapt, and evolve, ensuring that our students remain at the forefront of academic excellence. To our distinguished guests, we extend our warm welcome. Your presence honors us, and we are grateful for your support. Let us come together to celebrate this remarkable journey, to rejoice in our achievements, and to look forward to a brighter future. Reverend fathers, brothers, sisters, dignified teachers, treasured parents, and my dear students, your presence makes the atmosphere of these 20th annual day celebrations lively, solemn, and joy. Today's President, Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Golama, General Counselor, dynamic people like you are the driving force behind every great achievement, every innovation, and every success story. It is our esteemed honor to welcome our today's President, Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti, General Counselor of Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. We are creative for kindness, affection, and unity. On this special occasion, I express my deepest appreciation to our President for gracing this function. Sister has accomplished her theological studies with a bachelor degree in theology, supplemented by diplomas in psychology and counseling, as well as a biblical correspondence course. Sister embodies compassion, devotion, and a strong sense of social responsibility. Her intellectual brilliance is matched by unwavering commitment to philanthropic endeavors, particularly in supporting the underprivileged and marginalized communities. Sister firmly believes in the transformative potential of education. Regarding it has a vital instrument for empowerment and social reform. Consequently, God has elevated her to the position of General Counselor of the Congregation of Catechist Sisters of St. Anne. We are deeply honored to have you, dear sister. We are happy to welcome you, dear sister.
I request Mrs. Sunita Teacher to escort Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti, General Counselor, Catechist Sisters of St. Anne, to pimp up the stage. I request M. Harika to present a bouquet for being exalted.
Mr. M. Ramesh DEO. I would like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude to Sri M. Ramesh, our District Educational Officer. It is our great honor to invite our distinguished guest, Sir Sri M. Ramesh, District Educational Officer, to our annual day celebrations. Prior to his current role, Sir Sri M. Ramesh Garu served as an auditor where he consistently demonstrated exceptional work, ethic, sincerity, and dedication to his duties. His flexibility and adaptability in handling various tasks and responsibilities were truly commendable. As an auditor, he showcased remarkable attention to detail, professionalism, and integrity, earning the respect of his colleagues. Sir, elected as a DEO in the month of December 2024, he continues to inspire us with his leadership, passion for education, and commitment to excellence. With his contagious enthusiasm, mastery of time management, and unwavering perseverance, he motivates us all to strive for greatness. His remarkable leadership, guided by integrity, transparency, and a strong sense of responsibility, has earned him the respect and admiration of all who know him. We are happy to welcome you, sir.
Now, I request Mr. Bhaskar sir to escort our DO, Sir Sri M. Ramesh Garu, to grace the dais. Now, I call M. Sahiti to present a bouquet as a token of her gratitude. Thank you, sir.
Mr. A. Srinivas Reddy, CI. It is our esteemed pleasure to invite Sir Sri Srinivas Reddy Garu, Circle Inspector of Janagaon, to our annual celebrations. Your tireless efforts in maintaining law and order, ensuring public safety, and upholding justice have earned you immense respect and admiration from our community. Your leadership, integrity, and commitment to duty are an inspiration to us all. We are deeply honored as you join with us on this special occasion by sharing your presence with our students, staff, and guests. Your participation would undoubtedly make our celebrations even more memorable and meaningful. We are happy to welcome you, sir.
I request Mr. Tirumali sir to have pleasure to escort our CI, Sir Sri S. Srinivas Garu, to dazzle us dais. I request C.H. Pavani to present a bouquet as a symbol of respect.
Reverend Father G. Thomas Reddy Garu, the priesthood called to holiness, dedicated to service. It is our privilege to welcome Reverend Father Thomas Reddy Garu, the parish priest of Kanchanapalli. Father embodies compassion, wisdom, and zeal, inspiring countless individuals. As a devoted missionary, he sows seeds of serenity, empathy, and harmony. His remarkable journey is a beacon of hope in a world beset by challenges. With a distinguished academic background, he brings a unique perspective to his ministry. Reverend Father Thomas Reddy Garu has served as Assistant Parish Priest and Director of Warangal Diocesan Youth Center. He is a true shepherd, guiding us through life's complexities with empathy and compassion. His presence is a blessing, and we are grateful for his selfless service. We are blessed to have you, our parish priest, amidst of us. A happy and warm welcome to you, Father.
I call upon Mr. Bhaskar sir to feel privileged to escort our parish priest, Reverend Father Thomas Reddy Garu, to come over the dais. I call upon K. Venkanath to present him a bouquet of being blessed by him. Thank you, Father.
Mr. Naresh S.I. of Raghunathapalli. It is our esteemed pleasure to invite you, sir. Your tireless efforts in maintaining law and order, ensuring public safety, and upholding justice have earned you immense respect and admiration from the society. We are deeply honored as you join with us on this special occasion by sharing your presence with our students, staff, and guests. Your participation would undoubtedly make our celebration even more memorable and meaningful. We are happy to welcome you, sir.
Now, I request Mr. Bhaskar sir and Mr. Tirumale sir to escort SI sir to occupy the dais. I request L. Manvita to present a bouquet as a token of her gratitude.
Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. It is my esteemed privilege to extend a warm welcome to our correspondent and superior, Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu. She embodies the essence of compassion, radiating love, wisdom, and kindness. Her visionary approach to challenges is a testament to her indomitable spirit, unwavering dedication, and tireless efforts. As a paragon of excellence, Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti's accomplishments are a shining exemplar of her unrelenting passion, perseverance, and commitment to making a positive impact. Her presence is a blessing, inspiring us to strive for greatness and emulate her exceptional qualities. We are deeply grateful for her guidance, mentorship, and unwavering support. Please join us in this celebration. We are happily to welcome you, sister.
I request Mrs. Jayalakshmi teacher and Mrs. Sunita teacher to behold the opportunity to escort Reverend Sister Nirmala Jyoti Garu to grace the dais. I request D. Kushali to present a bouquet for being adored. Thank you, sister. A visionary principal is like a star, shining bright, guiding others and illuminating the path to excellence. Today, we honor Reverend Sister Sujata, our esteemed headmistress. Her visionary leadership inspires us all to strive for excellence. With unconditional support, she guides us through challenges. Her tireless motivation fosters excellence, inclusivity, and social responsibility. Wisdom, compassion, and integrity are her guiding principles. She has transformed our institution